Assalamualaikum. How to create a new wallet in ISLAMIwallet. Tab the gear button. Tab Wallets. Then the plus sign. Choose Create a new wallet. Read and acknowledge the recovery notice. Get started. Reveal and take note of the seed. This is so important to be safe in a safe place because this is the only way to recover your wallet in case your device was lost. However, if your tokens were already locked, then in this case you can recover them even if the wallet is lost. Enter the phrases as numbered. In my case 4, 3 and 5, then continue. Done. Enter a passcode or use Face ID or fingerprint. The wallet is now ready. Select your favorite tokens. Now you are ready to receive token in your new wallet. You can set security features using this button. Thank you for watching.